Winter has started. These boys are pruning. They've pruned the vine. Left us our canes for the upcoming season. Strip them out. This fella has pruned and now he's stripping out, which means they have to grab all the canes that they've cut free, strip out all the rubbish into the middle of the row and leave us with our canes that we want for the wrapping. These boys do the full job. They get $1.06 per plant. Let's prune it, strip it, trim it and wrap it. And if they can do 5 bays in an hour and 5 bays, each bay has 4 plants, so if they can do 5 bays in an hour, they're on $26 an hour, which is above the contract rate. And all these boys are what we call our long haulers, so they're experienced pruners. They know exactly what they're doing and they do good at their jobs. Hard job. It's a very hard job if it's cold like it is today. But the boys strip out and get warmed up, and then they'll spend the afternoon trimming and wrapping. And they'll do this all day for 9 hours, sometimes 10, depending on how long their supervisor wants to be out. And we are pruning and stripping and wrapping Sauvignon Blanc. Apparently Marlborough's finest. Best in the world apparently. And we're at Pernod Ricard, which is known all around the world. I work for a contracting company called Hortus in Marlborough, and we employ a lot of RSE from all over the islands. Fiji, Samoa, Tongan, Solomon, Malaysia. Oh, quite a few. Nevan, a lot of Nevan boys and ladies, their wives come too, earn money. And yep. So that's what we're doing. This is winter work. Prune, strip, trim and wrap. Just about there, bro. That is our pruned vine.